for me as a teacher, and even though I don't need to teach the specialist kid, but I got a lot of idea from the candidates, also like from the teacher, and I think this is really useful for next coming academic year. I'm gonna use so many things to happen, and little stuff can change the world. Thank you.
I've never been in the special education field, and I'm only a normal teacher, but I learned a lot from everybody, especially from Dr. Jung, and then I got exposed to this Center for Special Needs, and like at least I can implement it in Sarasat, of course, but also for the poor bandit, and the main idea is to interact and to make the connections.
That's great.
And also to find that we all teachers and we all have a specific goal in life, but unlike Ken, I think I can't give up even after 38 years of teaching. I can't give up that easily, because I think we still have a lot to offer, yeah, and then especially learn a lot every day of our lives. So we really learned, and actually I got some good ideas from everybody in the group, because like I said, I had no idea about, even though I'm a psychology student, both bachelor and masters, and even in the education field, but we don't get a chance, only few in our classrooms. So yeah, I got detailed knowledge of the entire system and how it works. Thank you.
All right, attending this workshop, this 3-day workshop, right? 3-day
Yes.
Yeah, 3-day workshop. It's more of an affirmation for me, like our practices that I did in my 21 years of working with kids with special needs have been affirmed by the different people that are working the same field as me. So it kind of gave me the confidence that what I have been doing for the past decades is still applicable and useful for everyone. So sitting in a room with like-minded people gave me the little bit of fire to continue doing what I'm doing, because I'm 50 now, and to be honest, it's making me a little bit tired with what I do. But sitting with like-minded people gave me the fire again. So a little bit, but it's good. A little fire is good.
Yeah.
So basically, Kun Jong did a good job of facilitating the conversation, that everyone got to share their ideas. So not just coming from one person, or not just coming from her. So the exchange of throwing around of ideas was really, really good. So positive experience all around.
Hello classmates! Okay, the 3 days workshop is awesome. I've learned a lot from different people, and then of course it's good to hear also not just the practical strategies that Dr. Jung shared to us, but also her real life experiences, and it gives us more insight on how to deal kids, not just kids in the spectrum or neurodiverse, but kids in general education. So yeah, the strategies were practical, and the 3-day workshop gave us a useful insights on how to support kids who are with the diverse needs. Yeah, thank you so much, and the classmates are good. The participants, especially the person who always say about Sarasat. I also learned very good alternative education from Miss Yuan. Her school is actually very interesting as well. And Miss Floy also is another person that I find very interesting, because she chose this field despite that. I mean, she has engineering degree, but she chose to be in this field, which is great.
Hi guys, I wanted to say that this workshop is very good. I will just give my feedback in terms of like we are here to share our experiences, and also we are discussion a lot. We got a lot of brisk discussion, I would say, as Mr. Ken was talking about like the fire in this career. I think it's very helpful to be in this small community that, you know, people are very like motivated each other to work in this field, like very caring, you know, and thoughtful. I think it's really good. If you got an opportunity to join this workshop, I think it's really good.